In today's video, we're going to give you an overview of the trading platform MatchTrader, how it works, how to execute trades, and much more. Let's get started. To log into MatchTrader, simply enter your username and password. Make sure to use the username provided on the dashboard, not your email address. Click Sign In and you're in. Once you're logged into MatchTrader, this is the default layout you'll see. You'll see your current trading account number displayed right here. If you click on it, you'll see a list of all your MatchTrader accounts associated with the same email address. Simply click on the account you want to log into. And that's it, you're ready to trade on that account. Next to your account number, you'll find all the account details like balance, equity, free funds, margin, margin level, and profit. On the left, the first section is Top Movers. This is where you'll find trending instruments. Just click on any instrument to view its current price, see the daily percentage change, and even place a trade right from this spot. Next, we have the Instrument window. Under the Favorites section, you'll see a list of all the instruments you've added to your favorite. Next to it, you've got the All Symbols section with a list of all available instruments. For easy browsing, the instruments are organized by categories such as commodities, cryptocurrencies, Forex pairs, indices, and other commonly traded instruments. You can also search for a specific instrument using the search bar. Now let's dive into charting. Right in the center, we've got the chart window. To open the chart for any specific instrument, just click on its name in the instrument window. You'll see the instrument symbol here along with options to add it to your favorites or view market details by clicking the I button. Moving on to customizing the charts, you can change the time frame, whether you prefer 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly charts. You can also change the chart type to Japanese candlesticks or a line chart, whatever works best for you. If you want to monitor multiple charts at once, MatchTrader lets you do that too. For example, let's add GBP USD alongside AUD USD. Just open a second chart window and select GBP USD from the instrument list. You can adjust the layout however you prefer, horizontal or vertical, and open up to 4 charts at the same time. Let's switch it to 1 for now. You've got zoom in and zoom out options to adjust the view. You can also manage the OHLC data displayed below the symbol name using this icon. Next up, we have drawing tools. You can add vertical lines, channels, horizontal lines, trend lines, or even Fibonacci retracements to your chart. If you want to change the color or size of a tool, simply click on it and adjust the settings. To remove it, just click on the cross icon. Next is the function symbol to add indicators. MatchTrader offers a wide range of built-in indicators. Simply click on the indicator you'd like to add, customize it, and then click Add. And there it is. If you no longer need it, just click the cross icon to remove it. Moving on to graph settings, here you can enable or disable grid lines, show or hide open positions. And from here you can snap back to the current price if you've scrolled back through past data. MatchTrader also lets you switch to TradingView charts for enhanced features. Simply click the toggle here to enable TradingView. We'll disable it for now. Let's move on to executing trades on MatchTrader. Simply navigate to the Instrument window. To open a new trade, click on the instrument you want to trade, set the lot size, and click Buy or Sell. Just one click, and the trade is placed. Alternatively, you can click on the instrument and then click on New Order. You'll see the Market Order window and another one for placing pending orders. In the Market Execution tab, first set the lot size. Below, you'll see details like required margin, free funds, commission, and spread. You can also set your stop loss and take profit levels here. You can use these icons to adjust the level or enter a specific price directly. You can also modify stop loss and take profit directly from the chart by dragging the line to make real-time adjustments. Here's an interesting thing: if you set a stop loss higher than the current price, only a sell trade can be placed. The buy option will be grayed out. Likewise, setting a stop loss below the current price grays out the sell option and enables only the buy trade. You can follow the same steps to set the take profit. Once everything is set, just click Sell or Buy, and the order will be placed successfully. Now let's place a pending order. Select the instrument, click on New Order, and switch to the Pending Order window. First, adjust the lot size, then set the price where you want the order to be triggered. Here's something to note: if the price is set above the market price, you'll only see options for sell limit or buy stop. If the price is below the market price, you'll see sell stop or buy limit options. You can also adjust the pending order directly on the chart by dragging the pending order line. Here, you can also add a stop loss and take profit. Once everything is ready, click sell or buy and the pending order will be placed. Now let's navigate to the bottom of the platform. In the Open Positions tab, you can check all your open trades. To modify an open trade, click on the plus icon next to stop loss or take profit, enter the values, and click Save. You can also adjust these directly from the chart by dragging the line and clicking Save. To partially close a trade, click the Modify icon on the right side of the open trade. Click the Close icon to close a trade. You can also close multiple trades using filters. For example, to close all losing trades, select the Losing filter, and all loss-making trades will be closed with one click. Exploring the toolbox window further, you'll find the Pending Orders tab for tracking all pending orders. Then, there's the Finance section for checking deposits and withdrawals. Lastly, we have Closed Positions. MatchTrader also has a cool feature for sharing trades. Click the share icon and your trade will be saved as a PNG image. Now let's see how to download an account statement. MatchTrader lets you download account statements for any time frame or instrument. Enter the date and symbols, then click the download icon. A new window will pop up where you can adjust the time frame and choose what to include: open positions, closed positions, or finance. You can also select the file format: CSV for separate statements, or HTML for a combined one. Once ready, click Export. And that's it, the statement is downloaded. Finally, let's go to the Profile section at the top right corner of the platform. From here, you can switch between light and dark mode, and simply log out from here whenever needed. And that's it. That was all about MatchTrader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.